study in America. And when I was around your age, I traveled back.
It was a magical day.
I even watched Michelle learn how to pull a proper pint of black. Who's cheering for that? So it was a magical visit. And anybody who comes here to visit, and I advise everybody who's watching who hasn't been down here to come on down, you can see what makes this unique landscape so magical. What the poet Emma Lazarus called the savage splendor of the swamp. Although I was informed it's not technically a
4 to 9 is this really magical window when they're still forming behaviors, they're forming their habits and setting them up for
there.
And to be able to spread that sort of like the poetry in that to the community and read and like kind of bring out, you know, the poetry that it's inspired in them is something pretty magical.